Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert page number in Word starting from page 4. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to insert page number starting from page 4. Firstly, insert some page. Press Ctrl Enter on our keyboard. Then zoom out this document to see the all page. Then go to the fourth page and go to layout menu. Then select breaks drop down menu and choose continuous. Then go back the insert menu and click page number option, then choose a page number format. Then go to the design menu and click link to previous. Then go back the another page and delete the page number. Then click close header and footer. Now we can see here we added page number from fourth page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.